There's Bossy Claire. Philip, Brianna, Violet. There's Rachel Minlove, because she doesn't have a name. There's the Feverell. And there's Claire again. This is Philip. I'm trying to... Oh, for whatever. God. I guess they're not Hollywood material. There's Violet's back. Brianna's back. Philip's big...